We are offering a $1,500 sign-on bonus for pilots who join our team. Yeah, you heard me right. However, like everything else that seems too good to be true, there's obviously some requirements that you must meet as a pilot. So let's talk about what those requirements are and how you can qualify in order to get that cash. So let's be clear, this is not just a handout. This is a reward for pilots who want to go out there and actually grow and scale their business. We are looking for the right people who want to hit the ground running and get things moving. So to qualify for the incentive, these are the different requirements. Now, if you don't have your Part 107, it's not that hard to do. So just get started on it and let us know when you are finally eligible and qualify for this. Number 2 is you actually have to complete a minimum number of inspections. Show us that you're serious about this opportunity and are willing to go out and put the work forward. Number 3 is you must follow our training and our guidelines. You are there, but you are not alone. We are there to assist you in every single step of the way. Do the training, follow the shot sheet, protect the homeowners, convince the roofers. This is how we make everything just work. In order to meet the minimum number of inspections, you're going to have to do some level of sales and marketing. We are going to help you and provide you with as much work as we can through our own lead generation system. However, as a pilot, you are expected to also go out there and supplement our efforts. If you're just going to sit on the sideline and wait for us to give you all the work, why am I going to be licensing this when I can just instead subcontract out a pilot? We are looking for partners, and we're not looking to subcontract. There's a huge difference here. We're not asking you to be a marketing expert or a sales guru by any means. All we're doing is trying to get permission from homeowners to fly their houses entirely for free so we can protect them. This isn't that big of a sell. Guarantee you on that part. The great thing about this is you can meet that minimum threshold just by people you already know. Your family, your friends, your coworkers, your golf buddies. All these people are qualified because they live at a house that happens to have a roof. It's that simple. Here's the other thing to consider. The $1,500 bonus is just to help you get incentivized to do the actions that we know takes to make you successful. By the time you're actually making that money, you have already made plenty more on the way up to that point. We know the process works, and we also know the actions that you need to take in order to be successful in growing your drone business. We're all in this together, and we're building something truly incredible. This is a unique opportunity where you can make some significant money while also helping out the community. The process is streamlined and extremely simple. We make this as simple as possible for the homeowner and the pilot. Fill out the link in the description below so we can get started. The sooner you start, the sooner you can start making some significant money and helping out your community.